Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, I'm going to share you my third swab test result that is negative. As they said, I'm involved with the cases, so I have to be tested because I've been for immigration and there is a cases on this United States. So now I'm going to the place where I can get a test, guys. So here is Central. Okay guys, so as you can see the red tent there, I should go there for a test, guys. Okay guys, so let's see how much people queuing up. It's look like more people coming in also, so let's see how it takes long. But I check it out, guys. Look, for free. Okay, so but this free is until May of 3rd only, guys. So you guys see queuing up people. All right, this is the card that is tasting, guys. Okay guys, so I finish and then let's take a look some. So guys, because now I'm relieved that I'm negative, I need to turn around, look at all these flowers and take a look the beauty again of nature. So that's why I pass by and enjoying. I'm happy right now. See some beautiful flowers. See, I enjoying them to take a look of all these flowers, guys. So just passing by before I'm going home. That's why I take a little bit with you guys. Okay guys, so let's enjoy the view. Beautiful. Look at the fish trying to jump. Alright guys, bye for now guys. Thank you for watching.